Welcome to our journey through time. Today we'll explore how our Earth was born and how life began in its diverse forms. Section 1, The Birth of Earth, cut to animation. Of the early solar system, with the sun forming and debris swirling around. About 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was just a massive cloud of gas and dust. Gravity began to pull these particles together, creating a spinning disk. In the center, the sun ignited, while smaller clumps coalesced into planets. Visual transition to a young Earth with intense volcanic activity and a chaotic atmosphere. Earth formed from these clumps, accumulating mass through countless collisions. It was a fiery, inhospitable world, with molten rock and a thick atmosphere of toxic gases. But this chaos set the stage for something remarkable. Section 2, The Cooling of Earth, show cooling Earth with rain starting to fall, creating oceans. As Earth began to cool, water vapor condensed, leading to torrential rains that filled the planet's basins. Our oceans formed, creating a stable environment where chemistry could flourish. Visual of early oceans teeming with simple molecules. In this primordial soup, simple molecules began to combine in complex ways, setting the foundation for life. Section 3, The Origins of Life, cut to animations of cells forming in the ocean. Around 3.8 billion years ago, the first simple life forms appeared, single-celled organisms like bacteria. These tiny pioneers thrived in extreme conditions, utilizing chemical processes to generate energy. Visual of stromatolites, the oldest known fossils. Fossilized remains called stromatolites give us a glimpse into this early life. Over millions of years, these simple organisms evolved into more complex forms, leading to a diversity of life. Section 4, The Evolution of Life. Transition through animations showing the evolution from single-celled organisms to plants and animals. Through natural selection and environmental changes, life evolved. Simple cells formed multicellular organisms, eventually leading to plants, animals, and fungi. This intricate web of life began to shape the planet's ecosystems. Section 5, Conclusion. Scenic visuals of Earth today, showcasing diverse landscapes and life. From a fiery ball of molten rock to a thriving planet teeming with life, Earth's journey is a testament to the power of change. Understanding our origins deepens our appreciation for the planet we call home. Closing shot of the Earth from space, slowly fading out. Narrator. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of our universe.